So we're now inside a room here at Nesta Hotel here in Da Nang, Vietnam. By the way, I booked a deluxe sea view twin room in Agoda because the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, we have additional discount with my code OAWAGODA. So if you use that code, you can get up to 10% off on hotels worldwide. So as we enter our room, on the right side is the ensuite toilet and bath, which I will show you later. And right across is a closet. Of course, you can hang your clothes here. We have here bathrobes. There's umbrella if in case it rains. And they also have laundry services. Here's hair dryer. And there's safety deposit box. And they also provide hotel sleepers. And we have here a luggage rack. And right across is a full-length mirror. And of course, our room is air-conditioned. By the way, I booked a room with 2 single beds because this is the cheapest room type that is beachfront when I was booking our stay here. They have other room types here with king bed and double beds. And right across the beds is a smart TV, so you can watch YouTube or Netflix here. So we have here a mini bar. If you consume this, of course, you'll be charged upon checkout. And we also have coffee and tea set up. There's an electric kettle, there are coffee cups, and there's complimentary coffee, tea, and drinking water. And we also have a mini refrigerator. And inside the ref are sodas, water, and beer. Of course, if you consume this, you'll be charged upon checkout. And if you're planning to work here at Nesta Hotel, they have a Wi-Fi. And this area serves as a work area. So if you need any assistance, there's an intercom. And they also have a spa here at the hotel. They also have an in-house restaurant, so this is the menu. And they also offer in-room dining. And this is just the directory of services here at the hotel. And our room comes with a lounging area. I'm sure it's a perfect spot to simply chill, relax, or have coffee. And if you smoke, please note that this room is a non-smoking room. But don't worry, they have designated smoking areas here at the hotel. And if you're following this channel, I'm sure that you know that I love beachfront hotels. And the very reason why we booked this hotel is because of this beautiful view. So let's check out our balcony. And imagine while staying here, you get to have this beautiful view. So from here, we have the view of the My Khe Beach. And there are coffee shops down there. It's Highlands Coffee, if I'm not mistaken. And over there is the restaurant. And there's also a Starbucks in front of that building. Okay, we're finally done with our room tour. And so far, I'm really liking our room here at Nesta Hotel. Most especially, we get to have the beautiful ocean view. So what I've shown you, our room has 2 single beds. However, they have other room types here that you can book in Agoda. Plus, if you will use my code OAWAGODA, you can get up to 10% off on your hotels, not just here in Da Nang, but in hotels worldwide. And by the way, I also have a discount code for activities. So if you will book your activities in Agoda, like airport transfers, tours, or even if you're buying eSIM, you can also use my discount code. That's OAWACtivity. So if you use that one, you can get up to 7% off on your activities. And by the way, I really like the location of Nesta Hotel as this is technically beachfront, and at the same time, this hotel is also 10 to 15 minutes away from Da Nang International Airport. And speaking of airport, we actually book our airport transfers through Agoda Activities. And of course, I used my code OAWACtivity and I got 7% off on our transfers. And also, being centrally located, there are many restaurants, cafes, and convenience stores nearby. And by the way, getting around Da Nang is also very easy and convenient. Just ensure you have a Grab app on your phone, and you can easily book a Grab car here in Da Nang. So it's also very convenient to visit attractions like Dragon Bridge, which is technically 10 minutes away from Nesta Hotel, or Hoi An Ancient Town, which is about 40 to 45 minutes away by car. Time check, it's already 3:30 p.m. And it's time for a quick hotel tour. So there's our room, it's room 504. And there's the hallway. And here on the 5th level is the gym. So we're now inside the gym here at Nesta Hotel. And look at the view from here. And they even have a water and towel station here at the gym. Okay, let's continue exploring Nesta Hotel. And if you're a senior or a person with disability on a wheelchair, don't you worry, they have elevators here. And there's the reception area. And we're now at the garden area of Nesta Hotel. And it's very nice here. And by the way, if you smoke, they have benches here in the garden area that serve as a designated smoking area. And there's the pool here at Nesta Hotel. And to level up your relaxation, they have a spa here at Nesta Hotel. It's La Premier Spa. And there's the poolside bar. And they also have some pastries and drinks here. Of course, we are in Vietnam, so they have banh mi here. It's for 55,000 VND. So before we proceed with our hotel tour, I ordered their salty coffee for 59,000 VND. So we'll just lounge here for a bit. Delicious. Okay, time check. It's 4 p.m. and we're going outside the hotel. And there's the facade of Nesta Hotel. And over here is the restaurant of Nesta. It's Oceana Restaurant. And we'll be having our buffet breakfast there tomorrow. And over there is the My Khe Beach. You'll just cross this road and you're at the beach already. So there's Nesta. And we're walking towards the beach. There are lots of food stalls here. We're now in the beachfront of My Khe Beach, and you can rent a beach bed here for 40,000 VND, and you can also have a foot massage with free drinks and free beach bed for only 200,000 VND. Time check, it's 7 p.m. and we're now here at the garden of Nesta Hotel. And look at the pool at night. Beautiful. morning. It's our day 2 here at Nesta, and if you're staying here, there's a complimentary buffet breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And we actually woke up late. It's already 9:15 a.m. But it's okay, they refilled the buffet and there's still lots of food. And let's now have a quick review. First is the location. As what I've shown you, this is in a premium location. This is beachfront hotel, few steps away to My Khe Beach, and just 10 to 15 minutes away from Da Nang International Airport. Next is the room. I really like our room here at Nesta Hotel. We had a restful stay here, and of course the highlight is the beautiful view of the My Khe Beach. Again, we booked our stay here in Agoda because the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, I have a discount code OAW Agoda, so if you'll use that code, you can get up to 10% off on hotels worldwide. And next is the amenities. So if you're staying here at Nesta Hotel, they have a pool, and to level up your relaxation, they also have a spa here. They have a gym, and if you simply want to relax or have a drink, they also have a poolside bar. For me, this hotel is actually for everyone. I've seen lots of families here, lots of couples. So if you're someone who's looking for a hotel here in Da Nang, I'm recommending Nesta Hotel. Again, if you're traveling in Da Nang or anywhere else in the world, you can use my travel discount codes and you can thank me later.